welcome to the press conference that marks the official launch of Being Human's association with Splash and Iconic. Very, very warm welcome to Raza Beg, the CEO of Splash and Iconic, a gentleman, a man with a truly inspirational story.
The magic this brand has. It has got great fashion, amazing quality, superior fit, great value, and a cause unmatched to any brand I have launched ever in my life. I only wish Salman and his entire team and his family who's looking after the foundation my best wishes. I will go out on behalf of my chairman and my vice chairman that we will do everything in the book and will stand by him across any product he launches in this region. And thank you, Salman. I'm not going to say anything about him because I wrote a blog a few days on Splash Fashion's website. Read it and you'll know what I feel about this man, about his foundation and about his clothing. Please welcome the man with the golden heart, the one and only Salman Khan.
Who came up with this name? Being Human is such an amazing statement.
बोलते हैं कि प्रकट हुआ नाम ही just it literally fructified.
You've been supporting the Being Human Foundation for a very long time on your own. So what got you to start a fashion line to support this cause? Thanks.
Brilliant. Yes. Money.
No money. Running out of money. You know what happens with, like for example, everybody knows me, right? You see me on TV, you see me in movies, concerts, etc., etc. So they think, yaar, ye Salman hai. You know, if inka charitable trust, say this guy's got a charitable trust, you know, we go there, he'll definitely help us. We know him. So there are charitable trusts that need publicity. We do not need anything, because the more we get publicized, the more people come to us. Now we should have the funds when people come to us to support them, which is the reason why we're doing all these things. 100% of the profits that comes to us goes back into the charitable trust. We don't see the money at all. होता ना कि हाथ को आया मुंह को नहीं लगा. आया गया. See, Raza out here will do his stuff here. Manish Mandana will export the stuff to all the other countries, and he gives us our profit there. And then the guys who are here, they will also do a little bit of charity here. There is a team that designs the shirts. I put in my input as the kind of stuff that I wear, or I think the people, the fans would wear. And then once they've done it, I just improvise a little bit here and there, and then usually reject the stuff that I don't like. The ladies wear is going to come out now soon, and the kids as well. After that, after we're done with this whole line, then we would go into the Indian stuff, but that was not going to be like a line. It's just going to be like, you know, some collections would come out with that kind of stuff.
There's a lot of Being Human fake merchandising which has come into the market. What is being done over the last few years to combat that? And, you know, what would you actually tell and what sort of message would you like to give out in this regard?
कमीनों को क्या मैसेज भेजें? The people who are selling those t-shirts, they don't know whether they're fake. They're buying them because they think that they're supporting the cause, or just buying them because the name Being Human is quite a catchy name. But the people who are making these t-shirts, they know that this money goes, all of it goes to charity. जब आप एयरप्लेन पे जाते हैं और एक बहुत ही खतरनाक सा एक अनाउंसमेंट करती है एयर होस्टेस, जो बोलती है कि अगर ऑक्सीजन कम हुआ इस एयरक्राफ्ट के अंदर, तो फिर आप वो ऑक्सीजन मास्क नीचे आएगा, वो आप ऑक्सीजन मास्क लगा लो. अगर आपके साथ कोई बच्चा है, पहले अपने आप पे लगाओ, उसके बाद किसी और के पे लगाना. सुना है ना वो अनाउंसमेंट? हाँ, तो पहले आप अपने आप को सेट कर लो. इट साउंड्स वेरी गुड कि एनजीओ के अंदर हम काम कर रहे हैं या हम चैरिटी करना चाहते हैं. बकवास की बातें हैं सब. फर्स्ट यू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. Once you settle your children, all that stuff, then you want to go and do charity.
From a grassroots perspective, when you touched souls through your philanthropic work, what were the reactions like?
I'm not there to see those reactions. I feel very awkward. This is not something out of the extraordinary that we're doing. It's everyone's supposed to do that. You know, we're doing it. Everyone does charity on their own way. It's just that we're slightly fortunate that we can do a little more.
We went to check out the special needs kids yesterday. How was the experience?
I love the place. Sheikh's, Rashid's thing, na? Beautiful. The kids were amazing. I'd been there 6 years ago. And the kids, you know, you can tell from the kids that the kids are so happy there. Okay? Usually when we went to school, ये था कि यार स्कूल नहीं जाना, घर पे रहना है. You know, we used to cry, go to school, कि नहीं यार. And then we made friends there and it was fine. But these kids, ऐसा लगता है कि ये सुबह उठ के they must be wanting to run to that school. There's so many. The teachers are amazing. You know, they do a lot of fun stuff. They're on swings and they're like learning the computer and the swimming, the painting. They're having a blast. And it's from, I came here 6 years ago, it's such a huge difference in what, and they're very consistent, you know, like, होता ना कि एक level down हो जाता है, ये इनका level ऊपर ही जा रहा है. वो जो ambience है उस जगह की, it is so fantastic कि ऐसा देख के खुशी होती है, रोना आता है. वही हमने पूरा ब्रोशर ले लिया है ताकि हम इंडिया के अंदर ऐसी कोई जगह खोल सकें.
Can we expect to see Being Human clothes in Bollywood movies or any of your upcoming movies?
You know, the other guys, my colleagues wear them. We're more than happy. In fact, they want to wear them. But me wearing it, just imagine Chulbul Pandey wearing a Being Human shirt. It'll look like this is Salman Khan. You know, अच्छा, it'll distract from that. इतने छेद करूँगा. It'll distract. अरे यार, Being Human t-shirt. You're not here, Naila. और Being Human t-shirt पहन के कमीनी से याद आया कि भाभी जी कैसी हैं. ये बोला थोड़ा सा difficult है मैच करना दोनों का.
The plan is to make it a completely global brand. It's a global movement, I can say. And I'm sure every 10th guy in the world at one point will wear Being Human. I can promise you that.
I hear a lot of people saying, how do we be a part of Being Human? How do we help Being Human? How do you send money to Being Human? You come outside your house, you look left, you look right, you see a person who actually needs that help. If he's ill, if he's got some disease, वगैरह, उसका इलाज करा लो. You helping Being Human only. The charitable trust is our charitable trust. You come out, you feel like donating something to Being Human, you have a figure in your mind, you go and you help somebody on your own, because you're going to send it to us and then we're going to give it forward. You go and take the satisfaction of doing that, and then you write to us on beinghumanonline.com.
I need to add one thing for Salman. To be a part of this, if you buy a t-shirt, you buy a trouser, you are actually donating to the cause. So if you're wearing his product, it is already a part of it, and as he says, look good and feel good.
Salman Khan. Relax. Go for that. Take care. Bye. See you guys. Bye. Thank you.